Hello viewers, welcome to our number 16 video. Today I want to show you the right way to pull a recoil starter of a 2-stroke generator. First, the wrong way. Holding the handle of the starter and pulling it with force from the beginning isn't the right way to start your 2-stroke generator. Let's watch an example. Pulling the starter in this way can reduce the lifespan of the recoil starter and makes you get tired easily. The right way is pull the rope lightly until you feel some resistance, then apply a fast pull. Let's watch an example. Pulling the starter in this way can increase the lifespan of your recoil starter and makes you not to get tired easily. If you really understand how a recoil starter works, you will agree that yes, this is the right way to pull a starter. Thanks for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so now. Click on the red subscribe button below in order to see more of my videos. And if you like this video, also click on the like button below, and also share this video to your friends who are also using small charger generators so that they too can learn. Thanks.